I am trying to select a gene though. Are you using any genes?
No, I'm not using any of them. I'm saving them up for later.
Okay then.
Mother Nature versus kittens.
I like you hate kittens.
Oh boy. We're gonna try and exterminate cats, everybody. Where do I want to start?
Alright, I'm good.
Sure, why not? Let's start over here. For giggles. Okay. And I need to update this and that immediately.
This time I'm being a little bit smarter.
Computer games industry growing in the UK.
I do like how this game takes the exact date that it is and just goes from there.
Germany accused of nuclear weapons testing. Alright, we need to go to this. Off that. Oops. Priest claim asteroid to destroy Earth in 4024.
So in 2,000 years, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much. Latest zombie movie based on truth. Right. Sure, why not? Major Chinese leadership shuffle. Child reference? We don't. What? I don't know what that means. What? I'm down here now. Phone maker asks trendy singer to be CEO.
Don't recommend oral drug for gonorrhea treatment. That's a little of a duh. Oh, now you're the one that's lagging behind.
The critter huff.
All passengers, please proceed to gate 4.
I can hear that again.
Yeah, that's my phone. My new one's super loud, but I can't turn it off. Too much shit going on. Shit! Can't keep up! So many bubbles! Oh, finally, thank you. Stupid Facebook. Oh my god. Mom, don't text now! Jeez. I'm actually doing good! And all that shit happened to happen. I think I found your country.
What? No.
No. I just see you're in the US now. That's all. I see you're yellow over there.
Go away, Zach.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Bye. What?
Oh, nothing.
Oh,
Dumb.
I missed a bubble.
Uh, ugh. Slow. Wait, how did I skip Mexico? What? How does that work?
I'm there. That's
Oh, there
why.
we go. Now I'm in Mexico. I was gonna say. I did like a country hop. I went from like America to South America without ever going through Mexico, and it's like, wait, what? How did I get there? No, go away, Canada. Don't do that. I'm in the UK now. Yay!
I'm slowly but surely taking over Africa. I got Madagascar.
Oh, I almost missed a bubble. Almost missed it.
Ooh. It's hard to read the stuff at the same time.
Huh. Oh, way over here now. Cool. Starting to get other
I
places.
see one of your trails from Canada to... Man, I blew up in Brazil. Still haven't found your starting country. It's not like last time I found that right away.
Eh. Gotta get the bloopy loop boops. Bloop. I haven't found your start point yet either. I'm starting to get around. Ba-ding. No, get out of Canada, it's mine. No, it's my Canada, you can't. Oh, I heard lots of bloopy. Oh, good lord. I just bloopy blooped all over the place. Where's your bloody starting country? Oops. No, don't do that. Go away.
Crap. Sorry.
Sit.
Found your starting country.
I know that.
Oh, that's what you were saying. Okay. I didn't realize I found it right away until I just ran it off to the side.
Oops. Nobody. Just getting all over the place. Oh, good lord. Oh, all the bloopies. Oh my god. I think I'm almost in every country now. Oops.
I think I'm oh, dang, you're blowing up in Russia.
U.S. starts cure research. No. So many poops. Hello, what is that? What did I just do? I don't know what I just did. I clicked on a thing and evolved it. I don't know what happened. What are those? What are those? Zach, what are those? How did you do that? What is that?
Oh, you have the same thing.
Do I? Sure. I don't know what this does. I don't know what this does. Oops.
God, China is just does not want to get infected.
China never does. Ah. I gotta click on stuff. Get distracted. I don't know why I'm doing that. Oh my god.
Still haven't infected the whole world yet. Let's see. All the countries are infected, so.
That's good. Ah. Oh wow. Mother Russia must be infected. Oops, something blooped. Okay, I think I can focus on this now. No, don't cure Mother Nature! Oh, I win. Like right as I said that, kittens all died.
Yeah. Mother Nature absorbed them all. God, I don't know what you did. It's just like all of a sudden you just went.
It took me 2 years to do that. I don't know what I did either. I have no idea. I was just dicking around with crap. I did autoimmune support 1, and then all of a sudden you were dead in 2 days.